Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we will do a hands-on of union all set operator. I have logged into MySQL and I'm going to use a database university. In this database, I have already created the tables student1 and student2. Let me bring up that data view. This is the first table student1 and I do have one more table student2, right? So these are the two tables. Now I would like to use these two tables to demonstrate the union all operator. If you have not created the table, please create the table and insert this data into these two tables. How does the union all work now? Union all is a set operator where it brings together the records of two or more select queries. When it is bringing together the data of select queries, it will not eliminate the duplicate records. In this case, we have student1 where 4 records are there and student2 also has 4 records. Do we have any record which is common between these two tables? Yes, we do. That is 236 Harry Mysore. So in union all, it will not eliminate this duplicate. Let us go ahead and do the union all. How do we do union all? Pretty simple. So you say select star from student1, that is the name of the table, and mention the set operator, that is union all, and go ahead and give another SQL query, that is select star from student2. There you go. It brought together the records of both the tables. Harry Mysore is mentioned 2 times. It has not removed the duplicates. So how about using the union all with certain columns? We can also do that. Here in this case, if you see, out of 3 columns from each of the tables, I'm picking up only 2 columns, roll number and name. Roll number and name from this particular table as well. But we got to ensure sequence of the column names are same in terms of data types. So it is pretty much same as that of select star union all, except that we have 2 columns selected here. So Harry is mentioned 2 times. It brought together all the records of student1 with the student2 without removing the duplicates. Can we use the order by with union all? Yes, we can use the order by with union all. So here, if you see, we are using a order by with the roll number. What is happening here is the roll number column is sorted in a ascending order. Awesome. We can also have a union all with the condition. If you see, the condition here is where city is equal to Mysore. So remember, the condition need to be mentioned in both the select statements. Here where city is equal to Mysore is mentioned in this statement, also in this statement as well. And now whenever we mention the condition, that will be executed first. Whatever the records which are passing this condition would be used for further processing. In this case, if you see, these are the 2 tables. We have a condition as city is equal to Mysore. So only one record qualifies from student1 table. We have 2 records qualifying from student2 table. That is the reason the result has 3 records. Okay, 1 record from student1, 2 records from student2. We can also use the union all with different column names. Let us bring in one more table named student3. So this is one table and we're going to use one more table called student1. If you see here, both the tables have the different column names, student ID, roll number, first name, name. The column names are different, but the data types and values of these columns are same. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to union both of them. So now what I will do is I'll just go ahead and union all between these two. It works beautifully because the data types of these 3 columns are same as that of the student3 table. You can also select a couple of columns instead of selecting all the columns wherever the column names are different. But remember, the sequence of the column name should be mentioned properly. Roll number, student ID, name, first name. So roll number has a same data type as that of a student ID, and also values are also same. Name also has the same data type as that of a first name, and also values are same. So let us go ahead and execute this. This is going to bring together the data from student 1 and student 3, even though the column names are different. Awesome. We understood how the union all works with few hands-on examples. Thank you.